Hello friends, welcome to Student Corner. Today we will discuss the one of the important problem in CBSE class 10. Two poles of equal heights are standing opposite each other on either side of a road. These are the two poles standing on either side of a road, which is 100-meter wide. From a point somewhere between them on the road, the angles of elevation of the top of the poles are 60 degrees and 30 degrees. Find the height of the poles and distance of the point from the poles. These are the two poles present on either side of the road of distance 100 meters wide. The angle of elevation from the top is 60 degrees and 30 degrees. We have to find the height and the distance from the point P. Let us assume the distance between these two points be x, and hence the distance is 100 minus x between P and B. An angle CDP tan 60, theta is 60 degrees, which is equal to h by x, height by base. Tan 60 is root 3, which is equal to h by x, height is equal to root 3x. This is the first equation. In angle PAB, tan 30, theta is 30 degrees, which is equal to h by 100 minus x, height by 100 minus x, opposite side by adjacent side. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3, which is equal to h by 100 minus x. But h is root 3x. 1 by root 3 is equal to root 3x by 100 minus 3. 100 minus x. By cross multiplying these two, we will get this. And by cancelling square with root, we will get 100 minus x is equal to 3x. Therefore, 3x plus x is equal to 100. 4x is equal to 100. X is equal to 100 by 4, which is nothing but 25. The distance between D and P is 25 meters. Now we have to find the distance between P and B, which is 100 minus x. 100 minus 25, which is 75 meters. Now height is equal to root 3x. Root 3 multiplied with x is 25, which is 25 root 3. I hope you like this video. Please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.